Welcome to King Math Channel viewers. Today there are new math questions. The question: find the perimeter of the figure. The perimeter of any shape is the sum of the lengths of all its sides. If we represent each side with a variable name, the equation becomes P is A plus C plus C plus E plus H. Now we put the values of the given variables in the form A equal 5, B 3, F equal 4. The equation becomes as follows. Now we notice that the upper horizontal side of the figure GEC, the sum of the lengths of these three variables is the same as the length of the lower horizontal side in the figure, and therefore the sum of GEC equals 5. At this moment, you should focus with me, because here lies the problem or mistakes that most people make when they want to solve this issue. The first step is to draw a straight line from C until it intersects H. After cutting the straight line segment H, if we look at the figure carefully, we notice that the lower part of segment H is equal to the same length as segment B equal 3. When drawing a straight line from the straight line E, we notice that the length of the segment enclosed between the two lines in green is the same as the distance D, so we call it D. It cancels with megas D, and the sum of the equation gives 24. If you reach the end of the video, please click the subscribe button and like the channel to support us to publish more videos.